Whenever we are presenting something, we require a thank you note at the end. So why not we design a thank you PPT which can amaze our audience? So let's create by taking a new slide, insert a rectangle, go to shape outline and choose no outline. Shape fill, you can give either a grey color or a light blue color. Now insert a rounded rectangle, change the width and height to 3.2. Make it little round by holding the orange button. Now tilt 45 degree. Duplicate 2 times using Ctrl D. Arrange it like this. Select all the 3 shapes by holding the Ctrl key. Go to Align and select Distribute horizontally. Now go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Duplicate the 3 shapes together. Place it above. Select one of the shape and duplicate using Ctrl D and place it on the left side. Select the 4 shapes together by holding the Ctrl key. Go to Align and Distribute horizontally. Now duplicate the 4 shapes and place it below. Arrange something like this. Select all the shapes together. Go to Shape Format. Select Merge Shapes and choose Subtract. Right click and go to Format Background. Click on Picture or Texture Fill. Insert any picture or scenery that you have saved in your system. Now click on the Insert option. Choose from a file and select the desired picture and click Insert. Here you will observe that the picture has been inserted behind the subtracted shape. Now insert a rounded rectangle at the middle of the slide. Make the height and width to 3.2. Tilt the shape so that it matches with the previous one. Go to Shape Outline, choose No Outline. Right click, go to Format Shape. Click on Gradient Fill. Make it 4 gradient stops. Choose contrasting color that matches with your picture. Here I am going to choose violet color for the first and fourth gradient stop and light orange color for second and third gradient stop. Change the position of second gradient stop to 41% and third gradient stop to 69%. Insert a text box and type thank you. Make it bold. Font you can choose Impact and font size 54. Now duplicate the shape, enlarge its size. Shape outline, you can choose a grey color, then go to Shape Fill and select No Fill. If you want, you can increase the width of the line by selecting the weight option. Now duplicate the outline, increase the size and adjust properly. Now choose the text, go to Animation and select Float In. Select the inner outline, choose Spin Animation, click on the animation pane, choose Start with Previous, go to Effect option, change the Smooth Start and Smooth End to 1 second, select Auto Reverse option. Now go to Timing and select 5 seconds. Then click on OK. Now select the outer line, click on Spin Animation, go to Shape Effects, choose Counterclockwise, Smooth Start and Smooth End 1 second, click on Auto Reverse, go to Timing, choose with Previous, duration 5 seconds and then click on OK. You can download this PPT for free from the Google Drive link given in the description by typing the password 592. Now it's time to click on the slideshow to see the result. Hope you liked it. Please share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.